Right, so in a minute I'll show you a quick kind of improvised way that you can make a run through rat trap for either a trap like that or your ordinary rat trap, but an improvised run through one, because obviously not everyone's got wood or stuff to make things, but you might have planks or bricks and stuff laying around. So I'll show you a way that you can make a run through kind of box out of bricks and bits of wood and things like that. We'll go outside and I'll show you that now. That's one way of doing it. Or if you've got these type of rat traps, a similar thing. That's better if you have the bricks here, then it makes sure that the rat will run across the treadle plate. Because if you have them back here, you could run along there instead. Make sure you've got a bit of a gap there, so that bit will ride past it. And make sure with these types of traps that your brick is on end, because otherwise the bar will hit the top of the piece of wood. Now this piece here goes there. You've got to make sure it's at an angle so that the kill bar can still rise and go past it. Still goes off alright like that. If you're worried about any little gaps, then you can just put bricks or a bit of wood anywhere. Because for example, you've still got a little gap there and there, well, a bit of wood like that or something, that will probably do it. And then put a brick on top of there, that'll stop anything from getting in there.